Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a summer robot.
Yeah, holding an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
I hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start by drawing our robot smile. We're going to draw a happy robot. You're always happy in the summertime.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw the eyes. And we could give our robot sunglasses. Let's draw a circle and the same size circle over here for the other lens. And then let's give our sunglasses frames. I'm going to draw another circle around the first one, just slightly bigger. And same thing over here for the other lens. And we could also draw two straight lines to connect the lenses together. Well, those look like robot sunglasses. Now let's draw our robot's head. We're going to start by drawing a straight line on the left, and we could draw the same straight line over here on the right. Then let's draw a curve coming around. I'm going to stop there so I can come back to the other side and try to draw the same curve for the robot cheek on this side.
Mine's a little like curved in more and that one's a little out.
That's okay. We're practicing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the same thing for the top. So I'm going to curve for the top of our robot head and then curve in for the other side. Nice. Oh, let's add some extra details for a robot. I'm going to draw another line here. And let's draw a shape that kind of matches the outside shape. Now it's starting to look more like a robot. Oh, let's also, I like doing this for the ears on a robot. I'm going to draw a backwards C for the other side. Let's add more details. I'm going to draw a straight line. If we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. You can also pause the video if you just want to take time to add more details. Let's give our robot a straw hat or a sun beach hat. I'm going to draw a curve going around and then back in. And then let's draw two straight lines coming out of the middle. And then let's draw the top of our sun hat. Oh, it kind of looks like a top hat.
Yeah.
Let's draw another line here so it doesn't look as tall. There's our sun hat.
The color will make it better.
Yeah. Well, let's draw two lines right here underneath the mouth for the neck. And then let's draw the body. We're going to draw a straight line first for the shoulders. My lines are getting kind of wobbly. That's okay. We're practicing. And then let's draw the side of the body coming down. And then let's connect the bottom together. So we got this rectangle shape with curves for the corners. And let's add more details. I'm going to draw a circle in the middle. Let's add another circle inside. And let's add more buttons. I'm going to draw a circle, a smaller one right here in the middle. And then we could draw another one on the left and another one on the right. I'm going to add a long button coming down on both sides. Okay, now let's draw a robot's hand hanging onto the cone. We're going to draw two circles for the fingers. I'm going to kind of draw them close together. And they're also diagonal. And let's draw the letter V. We're going to draw it in between. And then let's extend. This is the bottom of the cone. We're extending those diagonal lines through the fingers. And then let's draw the ice cream. I'm going to first draw a bumpy line connecting the top of the cone. Oh, let's curve around on each side too. Nice. Now let's draw the top of our ice cream. We're going to draw it nice and big, upside down U. He's hanging onto a cone. Okay, let's draw his arm. We're going to draw kind of a sideways U shape. And then let's draw it connecting up to his shoulder. Yeah. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. We're going to draw first we're going to draw the arm down. So I'm going to draw the upside down U. This is this part of the other arm. And then let's draw a circle. And let's add a couple more circles. I'm going to draw another one right here, and then another one for his other finger. We only drew 2 over here. That's okay. We got 3 on this side. Then let's draw a shoulder. And right here I have a little space, so I'm going to draw a smaller line right there. Oh, let's add more lines. I'm going to draw a line right here and a line right here. And I'm going to add those lines over here too. And we could also add, let's add a line going here and maybe 2 lines right here. Oh, let's do the same thing over here. It looks like a really cool robot arm.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, now let's draw the feet. We're going to draw upside down U shapes, 2 of them right next to each other. Then let's connect the bottom. And then let's draw the legs connecting the feet into the body. Let's add more details like we did for the arm. I'm going to draw another line this way. And then let's add 2 going down on each leg. Oh, let's add more on the feet too. I'm going to add another line here. And then we could add 2 lines there. Oh, let's add that same 2 lines up here too, on the ears. I like repeating the same patterns throughout the drawing. And we did it. We finished drawing our summer robot.
Yeah.
We still need to color it though.
Yes.
Okay, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring.
Or you could color it any way you want.
And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our summer robots. I especially love yours. And that ice cream cone.
I love yours too.
Ah, thanks. Now you guys could pause the video to finish coloring your drawings and even add a background. Maybe your robot is at the beach, but I hope it doesn't go swimming.
Oh yeah.
Water and robots don't mix.
Unless it's waterproof.
Oh, maybe this one is.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a summer robot with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.